dinner and a movie, and I'm at Westside Tavern for dinner in the Westside Pavilion and the Landmark Theater. It is a perfect night. Oh my belly! We had some great food. We had chicken avocado and
a cheeseburger with bacon.
Ooh, and the Brussels sprouts with prosciutto.
And the burrata with
Beef pesto. Oh, and the grilled cheese. We enjoyed dinner, enjoyed the movie. I think it's time for a drink. What do you think?
I agree. Get a cocktail.
Ooh, maybe some wine?
I'm gonna take a Manhattan.
Bartender.